Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a 58 Edsel Pacer AMT Ertl kit, 125 scale. I had a request for this kit, and we're going to go ahead and show what kind of goodies we got inside here. This is kit number 30032. It has the 361 V8 engine. And it's already telling me it's got BF Goodrich Silvertown tires with white wall inserts, posable front wheels, separate frame and floor pan. Alrighty. This kit here come out in 1999. Still wrapped in cellophane. I'm going to go ahead and cut into this and see what kind of goodies we got inside. Hope everybody's doing great. It's snowing here again. It was like 70 degrees 2 days ago. Now it's snowing. Gotta love it. Alright. Tear this one open. And let's get right into this one. Alright, right up on top here we have replica. Apparently that was a magazine, 6 issues, $12.95. Subscribe now, save 30% off the cover. I don't recall ever seeing this. I wonder if it was like the replacement for the Ertl blue printer. I'm not sure. I don't know anything about this one, guys. And we have the instructions. And this came out of there too. I don't see anything on there. Absolutely very basic information. I was going to say there's no information on it, but I see there's a little bit here. Not much to say about a vehicle that only had 1 year of production, right? From what I understand, Ford lost like $400 million invested in this vehicle. But now, that's not a bad looking car, you know? Especially in that red and kind of white cream color. That's pretty sharp looking. There we go with your engine assembly. Wheels and tires. Some body preference colors. Telling you about the actual vehicle when it came out. These were your overall colors: dark brown, coral, medium green, medium blue, red, and turquoise with accents. That's cool. I like that. Oh, I'm sorry. That was the interior colors. Body colors were here. I'll go ahead and let you look at that. You can pause it if you want to read it. Those are your options. Here's your interior. Separate frame and chassis like they said on the box. Nice. Alrighty. Not a whole lot. 6 steps on this one. Let's see what kind of goodies we get in there. Right off the top, we have clear glass, back window, front windshield with the molded in visors on it. Little vent windows, those are cool. I don't know if you can make that out yeah, okay. Some headlights. And that's it for that. Of course, we're going to leave that in the package, keep it protected. Anyway, right here we have the body. I'll go ahead and cut into that. Alright, that's nice looking. Nice thickness. A little bit of discoloration. There's that classic front end, right? Underside. Fender wells are molded in. Got a nice rake to that roof. It's actually a sharp looking vehicle. Very reminiscent of 58 Impala. Huh. Alright. Next bag we have, oh, there's the decals. Let me go ahead and show them real quick. I thought they got away from me. Basically, 3 sets of license plates. Michigan on top. Edsel is Empire State, so that most likely New York, right? And then Iowa. Okay. Not a whole lot going on there, but then again, it is an Edsel. There wasn't really a whole lot going on there either at the time. It's a shame though. I'm really digging it. It looks pretty cool. Alright, here's the hood, which is a lot different shape than I thought it would be. I didn't realize that this was like designed right into it. That's pretty neat. Very nice detail on the bottom side. That's very sharp. That's one of the nicest detailed under hoods I've seen. These here are your hinges. Some steering suspension parts. Coil springs. These, I think, I don't know. Oh, those look like little those are the parts that connect the leaf spring to the axle. That's what I think those are. Because here's the lower control arms. Alright. Here's the frame. Very nice. Pretty cool design on that. Alright. The chassis. Very nice detail on that also. That's very sharp. Well, looks like this is your interior bottom tub, also with toe board here. The seats are going to mount onto there. And here's the seats. Well, at least the rear seat with speaker looks like. Firewall. Interior door panels with moderate detail. You paint them up real nice, detail them real sharp looking. Here's the exhaust and the rear leaf springs. Muffler that actually says Ford on it. I think that says Ford. Let me look real quick. Yes. Yep, I don't know if I can get it to zoom in enough on the camera, but it says Ford right there on the muffler. That's pretty slick. Here's the 9-inch rear end with the front carrier, and drive shaft, shock absorbers. Excuse me. Steering wheel, which is very nice looking. Piece of the exhaust. Here's your dash. All kinds of gauges and things going on in there. I don't know what these little things are. And this is a master cylinder. And possibly fuel pump. And steering column. And we have, I believe this is the front seat. I don't know, yeah, this way. Wow, it's got 2 different patterns for the seat. You see that? Huh. That's different, eh? Alrighty. Little parts for the wheels. Here's your wheel backs. Upper control arms. The steering knuckles, spindles, whatever you want to call them. Back of the front seat. That's different too. Some coolant hoses and this piece here is broken. Well, that's too bad, but we can fix that. Alright. And then we have firewall again. That other piece might not have been a firewall. Let me go back and look at that one, guys. Oh, you know what? I think this is, yep, this is part of the tailpiece of the body. Yeah, yep, that goes in there, guys. My bad. I was mistaken on that. Alrighty. Here's the dashboard where that other little gauge package will go right there. There's the firewall with all kinds of nice detail. A lot of great detail on this kit, guys. Air cleaner. One of those. The other back half of a generator, I guess. 4-bladed fan. carburetor, oil pan, front end of the engine with your water pump on it, exhaust manifolds right here, heads, intake manifold, valve covers, engine halves with transmission, battery, radiator support, belt and pulley system. A lot of great detail. That's very impressive. You might be able to find a couple of these. The price isn't too bad on them right now. What I've noticed on eBay, they're right around the $25 price range right now, as of 2024, March. A lot of great little pieces you could add to a different kit even. Some very nice looking hubcaps, bumper. This is the rear bumper. This would be the front bumper ends. You know, their halves are split in the middle. This here's the grill work for the front end. Couple of miscellaneous pieces and spinners again for the center of the hubcaps. Those are really cool. These are more well defined than the last kit that had those. I don't remember which one it was, but it was just recently. I'll go back and check that video out. And for tires, they told us what they were. That one there, look at the shape of that one. That one's been in the box a while. I have to round that up a little bit. I remember what it said they were. BF Goodrich's, I believe. Yeah, BF Goodrich tires. Decent tread. Yeah, I'm impressed with that. It's not too bad. And we have the tail light pieces, the inserts, and the white wall tire inserts. And that's it, guys. That was a quick one, eh? Well, I appreciate y'all stopping by. Please be sure to check out my other videos and like, share, comment, and subscribe, all that good stuff. Hope you all have a great day. I hope the subscriber that requested this model kit gets a chance to see it, and hope it was what you were hoping for. Have yourselves a great day. We'll see you on the next one. Keep on modeling.